Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our presentation. Today we are going to give a presentation on cloud. So what is cloud? Cloud is the visible mass of liquid water droplets and ice crystals consist of water and various chemical compounds. Clouds are beautiful. They look like a white, fluffy, gaseous thing that moves around the air. Clouds are formed by the condensation of water vapor in the free air. Let's see how cloud forms. First, heat comes from the sun, which warms the ground and surroundings of the air. Then warm air rises from the ground level. When warm air rises, it takes the moisture along with it. As the altitude increases, temperature decreases. At higher altitude, due to low temperature, warm air cools down and air becomes incapable of holding any additional amount of moisture. Now we need to understand one thing, that air also contains tiny particle of dust, smoke and salt, which is known as aerosol. This aerosol combines them all together due to hygroscopic condensation. Then enough water molecules gather together and a cloud droplet is formed. Then a mass of cloud water droplet attach together and forms white fluffy cloud. This is how cloud is formed. Based on altitude, cloud is mainly divided into three types. They are high level cloud, mid level cloud and low level cloud.
High level clouds. High level clouds occur above about 20,000 feet and are given the prefix 0. Due to cold atmospheric temperature at this level, the clouds primarily are composed of ice crystal and often appear thin, white and sticky. There are three types of high level clouds. They are cirrus, cirrocumulus and cirrostratus. Cirrus clouds, thin and wispy, typically found at height greater than 20,000 feet. Cirrus clouds are composed of ice crystals that originate from the freezing of supercooled water droplets. Cirrocumulus. Cirrocumulus clouds are small, rounded puffs that usually appear in long rows high in the sky. Cirrocumulus are usually white but sometimes appear grey.
Mid-level cloud. Mid-level clouds are located between 6,500 to 20,000 feet, depending on altitude, time of year, and vertical temperature status of troposphere. This cloud may be composed of liquid water droplets, ice crystal, or combination of two. There are three types of mid-level cloud: altocumulus, altostratus, and nimbostratus.
Altostratus cloud. They are mid-level clouds. They are located between 2,000 to 6,000 meters. We can see the sun through it and appears as if it were shining through frosted glass. Altocumulus cloud. They are located between 7,000 to 80,000 feet. Altocumulus clouds are white or grey in color. Some are fluffy and some are pancakes. On the off occasion, they can produce precipitation, but this precipitation cannot touch the ground, as it evaporates before it touches the ground. This precipitation is called virga. Nimbostratus cloud. These clouds are located between 6,500 feet. They are composed of ice crystals and snowflakes. Nimbostratus clouds are dark grey, featureless layers of cloud, thick enough to block the sun.
Low-level clouds. Low-level clouds below 6,000 feet, composed of water droplets, may contain ice crystals, light grey in appearance. There are four types of low-level clouds. There are stratocumulus clouds, cumulonimbus clouds, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds.
A stratocumulus cloud belongs to a genus type of clouds characterized by large dark rounded masses, usually in groups, lines or waves, the individual elements being larger than those in altocumulus and the whole being at a lower height, usually below 2,000 meters. Cumulonimbus clouds are menacing looking multi-level clouds extending high into the sky in towers or plumes, more commonly known as thunder clouds. Cumulonimbus is the only cloud type that can produce hail, thunder and lightning.
Stratus clouds.
Stratus clouds are low-level clouds characterized by horizontal layering with a uniform base. The term stratus clouds may be described as flat, hazy, and featureless in appearance at low altitudes. The stratus clouds may be derived from Latin words strato means layer. Stratus clouds may produce light drizzle and a small amount of snow.
Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are clouds that have flat bases and are often described as puffy, cotton-like, or fluffy in appearance. The name derived from the Latin words cumulus, meaning heap or pile. Cumulus clouds can be composed of ice crystal, water droplets, or mixture of them. These puffy clouds are typically formed once warm air rises and clashes against cooler air, causing condensation. The product of such condensation is called cumulus clouds.
There are also some specialized clouds, which are wall clouds, fractus clouds, mammatus clouds, etc. Wall clouds. Wall clouds are also known as muras or pedestal clouds. Wall clouds are basically large, localized, persistent, low-level clouds that forms underneath the base of a cumulonimbus clouds, and sometimes it forms strong tornadoes. Rotating wall clouds are an indication of a mesocyclone or in a thunderstorm. And the second one is fractus cloud. Fractus clouds are also known as fractostratus or fractocumulus. Fractus clouds have irregular patterns and change constantly. They appear much like torn pieces of cotton candy. And the last one is mammatus cloud. The name mammatus is derived from the Latin word mamma, meaning udder or breast. When we see mammatus cloud, there is a chance of hail, heavy rain, and lightning in the vicinity. And if the air is cold enough during winter, they can produce snow.